Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is the start of my moving vlog back to New York City. To give everyone some context, if you're new here, hi, my name is Keely. I make vlogs about travel and my lifestyle in New York. I originally started my YouTube channel making New York vlogs, and then I ended up quitting my job and backpacking Europe for 3 months, which was such a fun journey. I was with 2 of my best friends and I vlogged the entire thing. All of those videos are up on my channel if you're interested in viewing. Today is my last day in Colorado, so I'm really just running some errands, getting some last minute stuff done today. Tomorrow I will be on my way. I have to leave at 5 a.m. to get to the airport and fly back. Let's kick this vlog off. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, I'm so excited to get the New York content back and going. We are officially back in New York City. I keep flip-flopping between like being really overwhelmed and really excited. I literally was running off 2 hours of sleep yesterday getting back here. Once I got in, I really just did the bare minimum. I got my bed set up and hung up some of my artwork because I had a sublease previously and I had taken my artwork down for when they lived here. And then I just got any of my like clothes that I had in Colorado put away. Today, I actually have my movers coming. I'm using Dino Moving. If you live in New York City, I absolutely love them. I used them for my last move and decided to just have them come and do this move again. It's really not a lot of stuff. I have like a little mini Manhattan mini storage unit, but it's about 9:45 and they come between 11 and 1. I'm gonna get a coffee. It's gonna be a big moving day. I'm excited to just like get things organized so that I feel like more comfortable, and then I can kind of focus on like having more fun and like enjoying the fact that I'm actually back in the city. So let's freaking do it. Hi, okay, so I'm back at my apartment because I was given a time slot for like when the movers would be at my storage unit, and they got pushed back. I got an email that they're not coming for a while, so I decided to just go to Trader Joe's and get like a good grocery shop in before they come later today. Mediterranean salad, just a couple like really easy things to get me through this week while I'm getting settled. Coffee, I feel like Trader Joe's has the best coffee. I also got these Angus beef meatballs, which I think will be good just to cook in the oven. Chickpea fusilli pasta. I've never seen this at Trader Joe's, so I'm excited to try this. I think this will be good. And then I also got this red pepper and almond pesto sauce, kind of like a little healthy version of a pasta. I also got some shawarma chicken to eat with the Mediterranean salad kit. I love this chicken. I just do it in the oven. When the movers give me a call, I'm gonna be heading back over to the storage unit and we'll do like the actual move. Kind of just on wait and watch right now. That's totally fine with me. I'm glad that I like had a second to get some groceries, so. Hi guys, I wanted to give an update because I've been working all day and it literally looks like a bomb went off in here. The move went great. The guys were awesome. There was 3 guys. It literally took them under 30 minutes to do my move, and that included me sitting in 10 minutes of traffic going from my storage unit to my house. Yeah, it's taking a while for me to just like find a place for everything. I know I'm gonna get it done. It's a lot right now. I have a couple bags of donations, which is really good. It's always so crazy like how much you can get rid of. Thought I had, you know, gone through and donated a bunch of stuff before I left, and now I'm like, I have 3 full bags of donation. Like, how did I fit this in my room before I left? I'm gonna try to finish up here in the next like 2 hours or so, and then I'll be like pretty much completely done. I'll give you guys kind of like a final product once I finish up. Okay, hi you guys. It's the next day and I finally made so much headway on my room. I was so stressed out yesterday. I can't even like begin to explain. I'll insert a picture here like how much of a mess my room was. It was just so overwhelming. Everything has a place. Like I said yesterday, I actually ended up getting rid of a lot of stuff, so that made me feel good. Yeah, I figured I'd just show you guys kind of like how I keep everything and how I've gotten everything set up. This is a 0.5 view of the room. I have my desk. I added one of these little like acrylic drawers sets from Amazon just to hold some more products. I get a lot of PR and I try to give a lot of it away and try it. Sometimes it's just a little bit of an overflow. And then here on top of my dresser, I have this little acrylic thing from Amazon. I get so many questions on this. And this is from World Market, wooden tray where I keep like my glasses and some more oils and stuff like that. Candle, I love this vanille scent from Diptyque. Lamp is from IKEA. Artwork, my friend Sophie sent me this map of Manhattan, and the top photo is of a bookstore in New York. And my dresser is from Home Depot. And on my windowsill, I have a bunch of matches, super cute, on top of this plate that I made here. My bed right now, I need to get rid of these hangers, and I'm gonna send all of this to my mom. She loves this hair oil, it's amazing. And a couple things from YSL, perfume, lip gloss. This is like an eye palette that's super cute. I think she'll just enjoy some of that stuff. So I kind of put together a little goodie box for her. And that's my little bed nook. My bed is a queen bed and it like barely fits into this little section. So I have a little floating shelf as a side table. And then my closet. It's as organized as it possibly could be, in my opinion. It goes up pretty high, so it's a struggle, but that's as good as it's gonna get. I definitely have like a little more stuff that I want to organize. I have a lot of products under my bed right now because I have like a platform bed. I really want to get like the long iris storage drawers. They just go back super deep under the bed and they're super nice. They're just kind of expensive, so I need to order those. And then I also want to get a bed skirt to hide any of the stuff underneath there. And then I think I'll be good. Honestly, I'm like fully moved back in. It's just about finding out like the systems and the organization that's gonna work for me. I'm happy that I'm like finally in my space and I feel a little more settled, and it's like crazy that I live here now.